19 तारीख को और 19th April we had registered a case under section 302 IPC in Porvorim police station where we had a dead man, a body was found in the area of Porvorim. और उसके बाद during the investigation initially we had arrested 5 persons who were found to be involved in this murder case. But the main accused in the case was still absconding. So the major development in the case is that today we've arrested the main person involved in this murder, and he has been identified as one Vikas, who is around 22 years old, and he is resident of Kandulim, Orda in Bardez. And he's been arrested, and necessarily legal action is being taken against him. So in total we've made 6 arrests in this case, and we've successfully worked out this case. So this is all I had to tell you. If there are any further questions you can ask.
कहाँ से अरेस्ट?
What is the motive?
इनिशियली जो हमारी इन्वेस्टिगेशन से पता चला है वो ये है कि देयर वाज अ kind of a love triangle involved, and because of which this murder was committed.
Is the girl also a suspect in this?
These are all part of the investigation, and we are looking at all angles. So if we are also questioning the girl, we are also questioning other people involved in this to see whether what is their role.
The main accused has been arrested. No?
Main accused is until now we have found him to be the main accused, and we have arrested him.
Any religious connections and anything?
No, nothing of that sort.
What was the main role of the accused? I mean, what his role in the...
He is part of that. There was a fight between these two boys, and according to the accused, what he has told us initially, that the deceased, he had certain pictures of a female friend, and he was trying to tell him to get those pictures deleted, and during this discussion they had a verbal altercation which quickly turned into a physical fight in which a group of men were also involved, which eventually led to his death.
अक्यूज को कहाँ से अरेस्ट किया? अक्यूज को कहाँ से अरेस्ट किया है?
सो एक्यूज्ड को हमने अरेस्ट गोवा से ही किया है, अभी हम इतना ही बता पाएंगे।
सो इतना लेट क्यों हो गया मेन अक्यूज को अरेस्ट?
नहीं, इस तरीके से नहीं है। जैसे आपने देखा होगा, जिस दिन ये केस रजिस्टर हुआ है उसी दिन शाम से ही इसके अंदर अरेस्ट स्टार्ट हो गई थी, एंड इन्वेस्टिगेशन इज़ अ कॉन्टीन्यूअस प्रोसेस, and the accused or the person who commits the crime is always trying to run as far as he can from the police, but eventually, as you have seen in this case, the law catches, and we've made the arrest, and it has been made, the arrest has been made in a it's not a delayed arrest. तो उस तरीके से नहीं है। इसमें हमारे पोरवरी पुलिस स्टेशन की सारी टीम ने, लेड बाय SDPO पोरवरी एंड PI पोरवरी, काफ़ी इसके अंदर अच्छा काम किया है, जिसकी वजह से दे हैव बीन क्विकली बीन एबल टू क्रैक दिस केस।
ऑलरेडी जो अरेस्ट पकड़े गए थे उनको कुछ ये कोर्ट के सामने पेश किया गया था 4 लोगों 5 लोगों को, तो उसका क्या?
नहीं, ये ऐसे इन चीज़ों को हम नहीं रिवील कर सकते। जैसे कि आपको पता है कि ये केस अभी भी चल रहा है, इसमें इन्वेस्टिगेशन जारी है, एंड टू रिवील एनीथिंग एट दिस स्टेज वुड मीन कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग ऑन इन्वेस्टिगेशन. Therefore, we won't be able to tell you all those details.
Sir, you have said 6 accused. So any more?
Yes, we feel there are other people also. They may be involved. The other people may be involved, and subsequent arrest will also be made in this case.
So the body was found near Audit Hall. Was the crime committed there or somewhere else? And the body was found.
So the crime was committed at 2 or 3 places. And finally, the body was thrown there.
They transported his body.
Yes, it was a continuing offence, and eventually he was left there.
बॉडी फेंकते वक्त अकेला था या उसके ग्रुप साथ में थे?
किस समय?
बॉडी फेंकते वक्त
जब उनको बॉडी उन्होंने फेंकी है तो उसके साथ ग्रुप में उसके दोस्त थे जो इस फाइट के अंदर इन्वॉल्व थे, वो भी थे उसके अंदर शामिल।
So one more last thing. Was he alive when he was thrown on the place?
As per the post-mortem, there is no conclusive evidence to suggest that whether he was alive or not, but from the initial interrogation which we've made of the accused, they say that when they had thrown him off, then he was still conscious.
But cause of death क्या था sir?
So in the post-mortem, the cause of death has been found to be multiple injuries which have been caused by hitting him, और उसकी वजह से बैक में उनकी चोट है और उसकी वजह से the death has happened.
कोई शार्प इससे
No, there is prima facie doesn't appear like that.
So he was tortured and murdered.
No, it's not like that. Since there were multiple people involved, so it's that kind of thing.
Main accused is from Goa, sir.
All the accused who we've arrested, they are residents of Goa.
Sir, we understand the main accused has surrendered to the police. Now he has been arrested.
Well, that is your interpretation of what it means. For us, we have arrested him.
से जो कोई भी हुआ लड़की की वजह से हुआ, इन फ्यूचर अगर लड़की को अरेस्ट करना पड़े तो क्या आप लोग करेंगे?
नहीं, ये हाइपोथेटिकल सवाल है मैडम। इस पे हाइपोथेटिकल सवाल पे पुलिस, मैं इस स्टेज पे जवाब नहीं दे पाऊँगा।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।